about joint reports. So the joint report is a simple thing. For creating a joint report, before I actually get into the joint report thing, let us understand this. See, in case you need multiple report types on the same report, let me show it to you on an Excel spreadsheet. Let's say you have account IBM, Accenture, whatever list of accounts, right? Against each account, you want to have opportunity details of those. So what is the worth of opportunity that you have from there? Okay. So in case you need this kind of report, that okay fine. Against the account names, you need opportunity summary, not detailed summary, summarized opportunity. How many opportunities I have from which account? How much worth? What is the worth of opportunities that I have from that account? That. So that is one thing. So this thing can be done using a report type. Just now I showed you how to create a report type, and this is what we can achieve easily, right? Now the point is, in case you want to include contacts information also here, summary of the contacts corresponding to this account should also be available here. Cases also should be available here, right? Now try and understand this. Can I include, we all know account, opportunity, cases and contacts, right? Now can I include all these four in the report type, in the same report type? And I actually am waiting for an answer. Can I include all four of them in a report type? Yes or no? Anyone who says yes will need to tell me how. Anyone who says no will need to tell me why. So Renu has finally said that yes, we can add 4 objects at a time using custom report time. Right. Vijay also says we can do up to 4 objects. Fine, great. That is the answer. Now, anyone who feels that this is not correct, Renu and Vijay feel that yeah, this can be done. Anyone who thinks that it cannot be done? Can we link account, opportunity, contacts, cases in the same report type? Okay. Tejasvi says, I don't think it works in the same report type. Fine. Let me go back to what I just said a few minutes back. You can have up to four objects which are into a linear hierarchy. These four objects are not into linear hierarchy. Opportunity is a child of account. Contact is a child of opportunity or account. Contact is also a child of account. Cases is also a child of account. Right? So that is the thing. It is not that account is a child, opportunity is a child of account, contact is a child of opportunity, cases is a child of contact. It's not like that. You can include four objects which are into a linear hierarchy. Parent, child, child's child. Okay, right. Renu is asking what is linear hierarchy. Okay. That is your grandfather, then your father, then you, and then your son, your child. This kind of a relationship. Okay, so this ways four objects can be connected. But here what we have, the requirement, we have account and we have contact, opportunity, cases, which are all child of account. Right? That is it. So this kind of a hierarchy you cannot include four objects. Got it? So for that reason we will need to have, here what we'll have in this situation, we can have three different report types. One between account and contacts, one between accounts and opportunities, the third one between accounts and cases. Got that? So accounts and contacts, accounts and opportunities, and accounts and cases. These three different hierarchies are there. Alright. Sorry, these three different report types will be required. Now what I need to do, if I need to create a report like this, where I want to create a report
Jeet,
like this,
I have a doubt.
where I want to... Tell me.
I mean, for anything we will create an account first. Will there be any object which is not a child of account? I mean, in this example, will there be any object which we cannot do a reporting because it's not child of account?
No, sorry, I cannot understand. For anything you need to create an account first. Anything, when you say, what do you mean by anything? You're talking about custom object?
I mean, will there be any object which is not a child of account? Because account is the most important thing in many of the business scenarios where we create that, and most of them would be childs of account, right? We create account first. So will there be any object which is not a child of account?
They can be, but most of them, if you are talking about CRM part, most of the things will need to be. Can you mute your system for a minute? There's Yeah, so if you're talking about the CRM part, most of the things that you're tracking will be related in some part of time need to be related to the account, because you're doing it for your client or prospect, right? So you need to track that for which client or which prospect you're doing it. But there is no such rule. But yes, what you said is practically correct. But there is no such rule that every object has to be a child of account or something. We can create custom objects where we are not putting anything related to account and all that stuff, so that thing can be there, but most of the things are related to account as far as CRM is concerned. Same way, if you start designing an application for your HR team, most of the things will be related to employee, beneficiaries of employee, the benefits of employee, appraisal of employees, because that is going to be the central object there. And most of things will be related to that. So that is correct actually to some extent, that most of the objects will be related to account, but there is no hard and fast rule that okay, has to be. Does that answer your question? So let's get back to this thing. The report that we were discussing, that this kind of a report, as I can see, to include these things, I need 3 different report types. Okay. So a joint report is what will allow you to include multiple report types in the same report. First of all, create a report using account and opportunity report type, then include the second one, and then include the third report type. Okay, that is what can be done through joint report.
Hello. Actually, I'm having one question. Like, how will we come to know that who is the parent and who is the child? So, depending upon that, we have to create our reports, or it is not depending upon
that? Okay. So, there are 2 questions here. One is, how will you come to know which is the parent, which is the child, right? So, looking into the object or looking into the record or what?
Looking to
ideally, so ideally I feel that this question should have come at least 2 weeks back, but by now I was expecting you guys to understand by looking into any data that which record is a parent and which is a child, right? But still, if you have asked, let me ask you, accounts and contacts, which is parent, which is child?
Sorry?
In account and contact, which is parent, which is child?
Account is the parent and contact.
And how do you know that?
Like, while creating the reports, we are using account as a parent.
Don't think about a reports thing. So that is what that is what I was trying to understand. That understanding which is parent, which is child has got nothing to do with our reporting concepts, right? That is completely independent of reports. For reporting, you need that help. For reporting, you need to understand which is parent, which is child. But to understand which is parent, which is child, we don't need reports, right? So account and contacts, how do you understand which is parent, which is child? Let's not talk about reports. Renu, waiting for your answer.
While creating the objects, we can define like that.
While creating objects, but account and contact are standard objects. We did not create those. Then
Right.
account and contact are standard objects, right?
Standard objects.
Those were already there. We did not create those. Now, how will you understand?
Sorry.
When you create a record at that time, if you go to contact, while you are creating a contact record, then you have a field called account, right? Which means contact is the child. On the child object, while you create a record on that, you have a parent field available there. But on a parent, you do not have the child field, right?
Right.
From there you understand. That is one. Now your second question was, you will need to decide which is parent, which is child, and then design the report type. That's correct. So while creating the record, you will know which is the parent, which is the child. While creating the report type, you need to understand which is the parent, which is the child, and select the parent as the primary object.
Okay. Okay. And like, so we are not having this as a linear hierarchy. So like, suppose our parent is account and its sub-child is contact, and again we are having sub-child as opportunity and cases. So what in that case?
So that is what I was just explaining here, right? Account has contact as a child, opportunity as a child, and cases as a child, right?
Like these three are the childs of account, you said?
Right.
But I didn't mean that. I said that suppose the last two are the childs of contacts again. So does it make some difference while creating the reports?
So then you can create a report type, include those three objects. If account is there, under there contact is there, and then under contact you have opportunity, then you can create a report type of three things.
Okay.
Then they are in one line, right? Linear means being in one line, from top, falling from top to bottom, right? So from account, contact, opportunity, if they are in one line, then you can actually create a report type using those three.
Okay.
But that is not the case here. So that is the reason why we are not able to form that. If it had been like that, we could have done that. Right?
Okay.
Okay. So that is the thing. Now getting into our next stuff. Where we will create a joint report. So first of all, as I said, to create this kind of report, I will need first of all take one report type, accounts and opportunities I have taken, and let me take amount of the opportunity. Okay, and let me make it a summary. Summary report using account name. Summarize the amount of opportunity and remove details. So what I have done here, I have created a summary report for this. Yesterday we did summary reports, now also I have created a summary report. I have summarized the amount of opportunities for all the accounts. against each account I have summarized amount of opportunity. That is there, right? So this current report type includes account and opportunities, right? Details of accounts and opportunities have been covered because the report type was that. The report type that you are using here is account and opportunity, right? Now, in case you want a joint, other things also to be included. In case parallel to this, I want contact details, I also want cases details here. But contacts and cases cannot be brought in here. This report type does not have those fields, and I cannot create a report type. In the same report type, I cannot include the contact and cases. Now what I can do, you just have to convert it into a joint format report. The moment you create a joint format report, you will see that you get an option of adding the report type. Now you can bring in one more report type here. So let me bring another report type for contacts and accounts. Click on OK. So this is the report type for contacts and accounts. So you see there is another block of report. Oh, this is the common field. Account is the common field between opportunity and contacts. So two blocks of report are created which to combine to form the same report. Contact, I cannot see any data in the contacts because of this filter. I'll need to make it all time. See, for every account it gives us the detail of all the opportunities and the record count as well. I need details of cases also here. Go and add report type again. For cases, the third report type that we have included. So see, for each report type you have a different section for filters. You see this? So you can put different filters in each of the blocks. For opportunities you can have a different filter, for contacts you can have a different filter, for cases you can have a different filter, the way you want. I am not putting any of the filters. So it is a joint report, as the name suggests. It is a combination of three blocks of report which have been joined together to give you a common representation. Got that? Fields also, if you see, there are common fields which are basically from account, because account is a common object in all these three report types. Then you have fields from account and opportunity report type, contacts and accounts report type, and cases report type. So there are three different report types. You see there are so many fields available here which you can actually get into this. But I do not want you to use too many fields. I just want you to work with a simple report, something like this. Create that and be clear with the concept. Once you are clear with the concept, you can include whatever fields you want. Got it? Let me know if you have any questions here on the joint report part. So we understood the concept of report type, and now we have just created a report using the joint format which includes multiple report types in the same report.